Yo. Let's get it, let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, let's go.
So guys, today is all down there.
Nice.
We got the national dish getting ready today. We got some chicken in here. Some breadfruit. We got some coconut. We got some saltfish. All getting ready for the all done.
Still become the callaloo and the pumpkin.
So now we get any dumplings in there.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
So guys, we're getting the national dish ready. We got some yam. We got some pumpkin. We got some callaloo, of course, fresh from Grenada. We got some seasoned pepper straight fresh from Grenada. We got some plantain. And later on we'll have some dumplings.
And I also planned that yam in Grenada, and it's so nice now to reap the harvest.
Oh yes.
Bro.
Straight from the soil, 473. We got this yam.
And do you want to know which part in Grenada that yam grow? Place called Pleasance, so way up in the mountain.
Up in the mountain, so you know that's the best yam ever.
Alright.
Jonathan.
Right, over and out, be back soon.
Few moments later.
So this is the part where we sprinkle the thing called Mr. Pumpkin. Oh, how I love pumpkin.
I said, wait a minute. Wait.
Oh, I love pumpkin.
First of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
And this is the one called Okra, straight from Drama in Mount Zion.
What?
Zion. Over and out.
This is the real ingredients here. Coconut water.
Man, I can't see the water, so you know what? I need to come up a few more inches. Right, this is the part where you could make a brick. Right now we're going for oil long, but if you don't careful, you could end up having a broth or a soup. What you say, my chef?
Yes, so we have to have the right amount of
water, yeah.
And it means to be the fresh coconut water.
Yeah, straight up, right. I eat that. This will turn out to be an oil dog and not a broth or a soup.
See here?
Right, this is the green bush, the one called callaloo. I'm going to call it ailalu. Getting ready to wash it, then put it over the oil on the final touch. I'm going to spread all over now and then light the fire. Should be ready within an hour and 25 minutes. Seen 24/7 thing called Grenada national dish.
All done.
Later you will see the result. Seen.
We'll be right back. See here, all done is ready.